Well, TubeBuddy just made a new improvement to their product. And this time, it can actually make you money. And we'll start right after this. Okay, for those of you that haven't met me before, my name is John Bell. I'm a retired school teacher and now a full-time YouTuber. And today's topic is a new feature that TubeBuddy has added to their repertoire. It's monetization. And, well, let's go on over to my website and I'll show you how this works. Okay, this is my website. Now you can see right up here. Let me try and blow this up for you a little bit, please. All right, that's good. You see the TB logo up here? This stands for TubeBuddy. Okay, if I click that, I get I have to and I go to my videos. Okay, you got to give it a second to load. Okay, you notice that right here is a new feature. It's TubeBuddy dollar check. This is your monetization. Okay, so I'm going to click on this and it says, are you missing out on revenue because of demonetized videos that you didn't know about? Let TubeBuddy find them for you. Sounds good to me. Let's press start. Okay, let's see if I can move this over a little. There you go. Okay, monetized videos with limited or no ads, 0. Review request already, 0. Reviews not requested yet. Processing complete. We did not find any demonetized videos needing to be submitted for manual review. Okay. You may run this process again in the future, and if we find any, TubeBuddy will automatically submit your videos for manual review in bulk. Okay, now let's talk about this for a minute. Okay, who is this feature made for? Well, certainly not me. I'm about 1,000 subscribers shy of the 1,000 subscriber mark and about 4,000 hours shy of the 4,000 hour mark. So for me, it makes absolutely no difference. Okay, but I look at some of these channels that have, you know, 200,000-300,000 subscribers, millions of views and everything, and I look and they have maybe 500 videos that they've published. Now, you know, all of these videos weren't monetized from day one. Okay, I mean, it took them, the old standard for YouTube was to monetize videos was 10,000 views. Okay, so until they got to 10,000 views, this didn't even come into play. All right, so I can guarantee you out of those 500 videos that they have on file that some of them are not monetized. So this is a very handy trick for them. Okay, just go and check. If they find the monetized videos, you know, big long list of them, okay, they will send them in bulk to YouTube to be monetized. So that keeps you from having to go through every single one of your videos, okay, and click monetization, 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 okay? Now, the second group of people that I think this would really benefit are the people that have just reached the monetization threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a 12-month period. And they have maybe 100 videos, 150 videos, and every one of them hasn't been monetized because they just had monetization turned on. So why go through 150 videos individually and click, monetize, next video, go info and settings, advanced settings, monetize. It'd take you forever to do this. This takes you 5 seconds, done. Okay. So I hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe. The link's right down there. Okay. Click the red subscribe link. After that, click the bell. You'll get notifications in your inbox, every email telling you when I have a new video that I've posted. Slick deal. Okay. All for free from YouTube. Okay. So until next time, John Bell, arrivederci.
This is John Bell again, thanking you for watching reviews. If you watch this on Facebook, please like it. If you've seen this on YouTube, please subscribe. And until next time, it's John Bell signing off, thanking you again.
That's all, folks.